Go to effects and drag this fusion composition. Increase the duration as well. Go to the fusion page, drag this right here, add a background node, connect the background node to the media out. Drag the text and also connect this right here. Now we are going to select the text node. I'm going to click here and I'm going to type this. Now once we're done, we can zoom in. As you can see, we have a little bit space between these lines. So what we're going to do, we can lower the tracking to about 0.7 or 0.6. Press enter. Now I'm going to select the text node, press 1 on the keyboard, zoom out, go to the layout, click here and select path. Once we have the path, we can draw any path. So I'm going to click here, I'm going to click here, and I'm just going to draw a random path. Let's drag this right here. Now next, add a keyframe in position on path and let's drag this about here. And now go a few frames ahead and I'm just going to increase this. Now keep this in mind, you have to increase all the way until you have a little bit line outside your main frame. Now once we've done this, we can go a few frames ahead and we can drag these points one by one like this. You have to manually drag this point like you are pulling this thread. Now I'm going to drag this right here. Go a few frames ahead. Now you have to pull these points one by one. Otherwise, it won't be look good. Now I'm going to drag this right here. I'm going to select my point, drag this right here, and I'm going to also rotate this. Now this is the last point. So if you have this line outside your frame, don't worry, we can add a keyframe right here. Go a few frames ahead and we can increase this like this. One final step, go to this spline, check the text box, click here so we can see all the keyframes at once. Select all the keyframes and smooth these keyframe out. And one more step is to go to setting and also enable the motion blur and also lower the shutter angle as well to about 45%. Now as you can see, we have a little bit error right here, so don't worry, we can select the text and we can also just click here to drag this about here. Now to make this a little bit fancy, what we're gonna do, we can press shift space, add a grid node, press shift, and we can drag this between these two nodes. Now go to the color and we can also select a dark color like this. Lower the major line spacing to 0%. Press shift space, search for glow effect, drag this, press shift, and connect this between the text and the merge. Select the glow, increase the glow, and increase the size of the glow. Now again press shift space, search for grain, add this grain, press shift, drag this and connect this right here at the end. Now one final step, we can drag this and connect this at the end. And we can select a color. And here we have the final result.